This is a lovely little question that wouldn't be out of place in a maths Olympiad or a harder college entrance test. And one of the nice things about this question is that it's far easier than it looks. Okay, so let's have a look. We got f of x add f of minus x add f of 1 over x equals 6 minus 2x add 3 over x. What is f of 2? Okay, now there's two ways to do this. One way is to first of all find f of x and then put in 2. That way, I mean, it gives you the right answer, but the algebra is fairly tricky, but there's a better way that you can do it without needing to know what f of x is. So let's go. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put in 2. So put in x equals 2, and that gives us f of 2 add f of minus 2 add f of a half equals 6 minus 2 times 2 add 3 over 2, which equals 7 over 2. And let's call that one there equation 1. Okay. B, we're going to put in x equals minus 2. Okay, so we therefore get, let's put it in there, f of minus 2. All I'm doing is I'm putting minus 2 and 2 into this equation here. F of minus 2 add f of minus 2, which is f of 2, add f of minus a half, which equals 6 minus 2 times minus 2, add 3 over minus 2, which equals 17 over 2. And let's call that one equation 2. And then C, let's put x equals a half. And so we get f of a half. All I'm doing again is putting x equals a half in the equation that's now disappeared off the screen. Add f of minus a half, add f of 1 over a half, which is f of 2, equals 6 minus 2 times a half, add 3 over a half, which equals 6 minus 1 add 6, which is 11. And let's call that one equation 3. And then finally D, let's put x equal to minus a half. And so we get f of minus a half, add f of a half, add f of minus 2 equals 6 minus 2 times minus a half, add 3 over minus a half, which equals 6, 2, blah, blah, equals 1. Okay, so we have 4 equations, A, B, C, and D. And now let's just tidy it all up, make it a little bit easier. So let's let f of 2 equal A, and let's let f of minus 2 equal B, and let's let f of a half equal C, and let's let f of minus a half equal D, and you'll see where I'm going with this. So from equation 1, this one here, we have A add B add C is 7 over 2. So we have A add B add C is 7 over 2. Then from the second equation, we have B add D, add A add D equals 17 over 2. From the third equation, C add D add A equals 11. And from the fourth equation, D add C add B equals 1. So we have 4 equations here and we have 4 unknowns. We need to find A, which is f of 2. That's what the question asks us. Okay, so let's first of all, let's just look at those two. If we take one away from the other, then we get A minus B equals 10. That's using those two equations. And then using these two equations here, if we add them together, we get 2A add 2B add C add D equals 24 over 2, which is 12. And then if we look at this equation here, we get that C add D equals 11 minus A, and then stick that in there, we get 2A add 2B add 11 minus A equals 12. i.e. A add 2B equals 1, and we know that A minus B equals 10, and from those two we can just do 2 times this one, add this one, and that gives us that 3A equals 21, i.e. A equals 7, i.e. f of 2 equals 7. So in actual fact, this is a relatively simple question because you don't need to do hardly any algebra, and the simultaneous equations that you get here are relatively simple. Well, I hope you found that useful. This is a great party trick for you to impress all your mates with in parties where they might find this useful. If you enjoyed this, please like the Grestier Academy YouTube channel and subscribe. Thank you very much.